got a kid going off to college, thought it'd be cool for them to have a little tool kit that's packable, easy to just put in a dorm room or maybe in their car. Let's open this thing up and take a look at it. Okie dokie, here we go. So tools packed in both sides of this thing. It does have an instruction manual. Yeah. Look at that though. They have used every available space to put tools in here. Kind of what I was thinking is it would be really nice, you know, your kid wants to maybe hang a picture up in the dorm, right? So look at this. They got a little box of, if I can get it out. Yeah, they got a little box of hanging picture up things, right? Little nails, little drywall anchors, little screws. If you put more stuff in that box. So yeah, get in the dorm room, hang some pictures up. Seems nice. You know, maybe you need to drill a little hole. That's nice. USB-C charger, so they don't have to figure out some weird charging system, just a USB. I like that. It has a cable, because of course they're going to lose theirs. Yeah, this utility knife. This is always handy, cutting up boxes or whatever. Little measuring tape. Perfect. We already saw the little hammer. It's actually got a good little grip on it. It's kind of a rubberized grip. Adjustable wrench. Yeah, got to tighten down something real quick. Don't know the exact size, no problem. This gets up to 3/4 inches, it looks like. So that's pretty nice. And then some sockets down here. So kid needs to put together some furniture that they got in the mail. Maybe do just a quick repair on something. Okay. What's on the other side of this thing? Flathead screwdriver. Is that magnetic? Let's see. Oh yeah. Magnetic end on that flathead screwdriver. Not the strongest magnet, but magnetic. That's cool. Phillips head screwdriver. All right, we're getting somewhere here. Yeah, this is nice, huh? So now you've got your screwdriver that'll accept all the little bits and pieces we didn't look at over on this side. So a whole bunch of different square bits, Phillips head, Torx bits. Again, putting together some furniture you bought online. Nice to have all those extra bits. Use that as a bit holder. Or pop them in the drill. There's an adapter here for the drill. Great, we'll put that on there. Start setting up the furniture. Allen keys, which you can never have enough of. This has a bunch of sizes on it. That's nice. Needle nose pliers. I always get annoyed when needle nose pliers don't have a cutter. These do. Got a little knurtling there for some grip. That's a nice little set there. And some mini screwdrivers. So, you know, they got the laptop and they need to open it up to clean out the fans in the laptop because, you know, they got a paper due in the morning. The thing's overheating. All right, we got a bunch of little mini screwdrivers. A little swiveler on it. Okay. We've got backup razor blades for the knife. Great. And we got some drill bits to use with the drill. I like this, has a battery level on the back. Oh, and some more bits here, some like longer length bits. So you could use that with the drill too. All right. Let's see if this thing has enough power to actually drill a hole. Yeah, it's got enough power to go through a bench top. That's a pretty good sign. That seems like a good enough drill for me. So there we go. Look at this giant kit. A place for everything and everything in its place. Doesn't go flopping around. Close that up. You know, throw it under the bed. Throw it in the bottom of the dresser. Throw it in your car. Just a good little kit.